See three types of instructions, okay, that are used by investors. That they are execution instruction, validity instruction, and the clearing instruction. Okay, generally what happens when any investor wants to buy or sell, that is when the investor want to trade, they enter the orders. Okay, they enter through the orders, and where in the order it will be mentioned the size of the trade and also whether the investor is interested for buying or selling. Okay, and these orders are executed through instructions, where this instruction like execution instruction which specifies how to trade, and next comes the validity instruction. It specifies the when the trade is to be executed. Okay, the timing of the execution is about validity instruction. And third is the clearing instruction. It talks about the settlement of the trade or clearing the trade. So we will see them one by one. Execution instruction, they are done by generally two orders, two ways. First is the market order, second is the limit order. In market order what happens, it is in market order it is instructed to do the trading immediately at the best possible price. That is what is the market order instruction. And in limit order it places a minimum price. Okay, it places a minimum price for the sell orders. Okay, and it places a maximum price for the buying orders. Okay, and here the main disadvantage of this execution instruction is that it gives a very unfavorable price. And when does it gives the unfavorable price? When the trading volume is higher than the when this trading volume is lower than the order size, then it creates a unfavorable pricing. Okay, so next let us see the validity instruction, which talks about when the trade has to be executed. Generally most of the trades are day orders. That is, the order has to be executed on the same trading day, that is before the end of the same trading day. Next and there are couple of other orders that are followed in this validity instruction. Second is the good till close. Okay, that means here the order has to be filled. Okay, the order has to be filled before it and once it gets filled, that means it is done. Okay, next comes the immediate or cancel order. That is, here if the order is filled immediately, then it is not cancelled, otherwise it will get cancelled. It is otherwise called as fill or kill order. Okay, so these are couple of orders that are followed in this validity instruction. And next comes the clearing instruction. It talks about the clearing and the settlement of the trade, and it is these are the standing instructions. These clearing instructions are the standing instructions, and these are not attached to any trading orders. Okay, so that is about the clearing instructions. So that is about it. Thank you very much.